Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a skill that you can teach other people. Anything that you know and you can teach other people. What it is means the skill. How you learnt it, past tense. How can you teach others this skill, the method or manner, how you can pass it on, and how do you feel about this skill present. So one cue is in the past, other 3 cues are in present. Please, you can take a start.
Okay, first of all, I have learned I have learned ample of skills. I have learned ample of skill in which I have learned ample of skills throughout my life.
Don't focus this, just go on.
The most important skill that I would love to teach. The most important thing that I would love to teach others is swimming. During my school days, I had attended swimming classes under the surveillance of professional trainer. Learning swimming had been made mandatory by school. So initially I was not very interested to learn swimming. Although gradually, when I came to know about the benefits of swimming, my interest getting started building up. I think I've been doing swimming since my school life, so I believe I have skills that can teach. I have the skills that can teach others swimming. I can not only teach swimming, I can also tell them about the benefits that they can get after the swimming. In my point of view, everyone should do swimming. Everyone should do swimming because it can help you to keep your body healthy.
That's fine. Overall, it's very good, but you need to overcome your nervousness. I was writing something and you are. What should I do? Just ignore, and in the same way ignore the examiner. If you notice what examiner is doing, then you will forget your own thing. So please ignore the examiner, right? Just mind your own business, because examiners will be doing a lot of note taking while you are speaking, because they have to write certain things and check your bench score, and there are certain things they write. Ignore the examiner, and even if examiner does not make eye contact, don't care about it. They are still listening to you. They have the audio device which is recording your voice. So just give a good performance and do not expect anything from the examiner. That examiner will give you confidence. You should generate confidence from your inside. Okay, now let's move. You spoke well, by the way, right? Just be more fluent. It's going to be very good. Should teachers be funny when they teach?
I think teachers should be funny. Teachers should be funny when they teach, because it can help to gain the. It can help to gain the confidence of the students.
It can help the students to gain confidence.
Gain the confidence, so that they can talk with you more thoroughly, and that can help them to get out of their comfort zone, to share their thoughts with you.
Okay, what qualities should teachers have?
I think teachers should have several qualities in them. Firstly, they should observe. They should know how to observe the student. They should have an eye to observe the student which is suffering from anxiety.
Who is suffering
from anxiety? Secondly, teachers should be patient. If any individual is misbehaving with him, so he should treat him patiently, or deal the situation.
This is very good. So just try to be a little more fluent, and confidence is the key. If you lose confidence, you will not be able to do anything, right? Anyways, the way you spoke, I'll give you a 6 band now, but let me tell you, you have the ability to achieve 6.5 easily. Just if you are confident, stay focused, speak fluently, you can get 6.5 easily, and then you can target 7 also, right? Thank you. Good job.